Welcome back to another episode of the $100 a day 30-day challenge. Yesterday we ended up holding Shift, I think it was, and Lith. We ended up selling both of these at a small loss, and the only profit we made was Bryce and Block for a total of 91.35 for a total of 682. However, certain things fluctuated. We did lose some on CELT. I don't think I included it here, but CELT was a May purchase. And we're currently at 9642. So we're overall up 642 for June so far. So it's 6 days, $600. We're averaging $100 a day. Let's get straight to it. Where did I leave off yesterday? All right, let's see performance of stuff from yesterday. Okay, instead of watch list, red list. What do we have? Lunacy moving 5%. Damn, this actually ended up pumping from yesterday, didn't it? I can't remember, but I remember seeing, I added it for a reason. Oof, this jumped really high. More than doubled. Of course, I sold CELT yesterday and it went up. Nice. We got WXT. I also added this later on in the day. I said it looks really, really nice. I didn't end up buying. Unfortunately, I should have. It was a good jump. 7%. Ooh, Paul X. Wow, missed a lot of good opportunities yesterday because I didn't buy. This really pumped. Ooh. This went up to like 40%. Either way, I probably would have missed it. And then we have XSR. I think the 4 hour was nice on this. It was, wasn't it? Alright, so we missed a few opportunities from yesterday. Love, oh no! Didn't I hold this yesterday? And I said it was beautiful. I did. I don't remember, I don't think I bought it though. I said I want to keep watching it because it has a lot of potential. Look at that. What a great call. That was a 50% gain, unfortunately. Probably should have bought. And Shift, of course, Shift comes back after I sold. And it goes to 532 or 523. I thought it would peak at like 400 and something. Wow, this ran. Unfortunately, I sold really early yesterday. Took, I think, I don't know, I think I took a loss on it. It was like a $10 loss. I didn't want to keep holding. It still looks good on the 4 hour. I don't know if I should swing this, trade it. How does the hourly look? Not too fond of it. It's risky. Where's lithium? Lithium was good to me yesterday. Lithium is looking good still. Has a 4 hour on it. 4 hours is usually a good time frame. I might actually buy me some again. Although this is literally where I bought yesterday. I sold up here. I think I made 20, 30 bucks on it. I can't remember. Or I broke even. I think I wanted to get out before it dumped, which it did. It dumped to 22 to 22. Didn't buy back though. So now it's back at the same price it was yesterday when I bought it. 4 hour is curling, so this could be a good hold for tomorrow. But if tomorrow the market goes to the opposite way, I don't know. I like this. I like, let's take it. I'll use a screener in a bit to find like newer opportunities, but it's not bad to start with something, you know, can pump. Honestly, Shift looks okay, but the hourly, I don't see it pumping anymore, especially after it lost steam from here. This could be the end of it. The 4 hour is nice though. It has to hold, so we have an hour and 40 minutes. If it holds, then yes, it will continue to pump, most likely, but I think a short pump and then this will curve down, depending on volume and whatnot. I don't know, this is tough today. Most of this stuff already pumped, and I don't like buying after a pump. Not always, at least. Bryce is still stuck. I thought this would have moved back by now, but there could be other reasons. The 4 hours still see a bit of sideways trading going on. So this might be a buy here and run it back up. What is it? Roughly a 10-12% increase. I'll keep an eye on it. Bryce I'm holding long term either way. I'm holding a decent amount for a long term hold. XSR. It's about to break the RSI. This is interesting. This could run up more. Could it pull what it pulled last time? I don't think so, but apparently I don't know what I'm doing. Vi is down. I knew it would come down, but it has potential to bounce back. As you can see on the histogram, the selling is easing off. And this is on the 4 hours, so on the hourly, it's probably diverging. You know what? I'm going to buy me some. What's the bottom on this? 12. I think it's worth the risk now compared to yesterday when it was 18. Oh, it was even higher yesterday. Yeah. Oof. And go back to 15. I might buy this later on today. What happened to car? It's down. Also hourly about to diverge. Could turn bullish. This might have a pump back up. Almost time for it, but the 4 hours similar to the other one, I'm assuming. Oh no, I do not like this. Yeah, this is, there could be like one small pump, but I think it'll keep falling down or sideways trading, so we'll see. I like Vi though. Vi's looking okay. It's not great, but it's not bad either. Really, it peaked at 1640 here. 1628. I feel like giving it another 10 minutes before I buy it. This one's also moving again. Jeez, everything is like decent timing today. This, Vi, both look okay. Car, not too fond of it. X-Tag, we missed yesterday. It did the pump. I think we caught it in the first pump. I just didn't expect it to keep running. I think there was a lot of demand on it yesterday. Lithium is back on the move. Alright, let's make a few decisions here. So we're at 9642. Let's see if we can make another 100 in 30 minutes or less. And here's lithium. Let's do market. I like doing market. This is on the hourly, so I'll have to hold it. This touched the bottom 50 million times. It's 2377, 2382, and let's do it. $1,000 on market. Let's buy some lithium, I believe. Ching, ching. Oh shit, that was not even the accurate. Great. There we go. Alright, so we're in lithium. What else did I say looked good? Shift looked okay, but it pumped, so I really don't want to buy. However, if the volume continues, what do we have? Damn, I already forgot what I wanted to buy. What the hell's wrong with me today? Swing. What's going on with this? There's a few good opportunities from yesterday that I saw. So shift 398. Could this actually run? The 4 hour does look good on it. It's curling. Could do another run and then fall. I'm really tempted to buy it again. SOS. Block fell after the pump. UFO, I said it was looking okay yesterday and I didn't buy, but I figured the upside wasn't huge. Seems like a 8% upside that I missed out on. Then we have lava. Man, I don't know why I didn't buy this. I really feel bad. The 4 hour looked fantastic. It's really unfortunate. Of course this falls after I buy, but I'm holding. And where are we? We were at what? So we're down a bit. 12, 13 bucks. We'll hold. This is the one I said looked okay, right? On the hourly at least. But let's see if it holds. And then I said Vi looks good. Vi honestly looks good. What's the 30 minute? Let's see a shorter time frame. Yeah, see this looks okay. Although money flows down, so the CMF means money flow is going down. In a sense, it's selling, but it's holding the price. So once this bottoms out, if more money comes in, then theoretically the price should continue to rise. So we'll keep an eye on it. This, on the other hand, just dumped on the 30 minute. 45 is going to be the same trend. I didn't mean to hit 2 hours. So again, 4 hours looks okay, or does not look okay. It depends on how this continues to go, but I'm going to wait on this. Vi looks a bit better. Volume 2.8, 2.9. It's decent volume. You know what I'm going to do? Instead of completely missing out on Vi, I'm going to buy 500 worth. And then if it continues to fall, we'll average it down. So market 500, buy. I don't like investing too much in stuff that I'm not too certain in. BTC is up today, so generally the market goes up with it. This is crazy. This has been sideways trading for a while. I missed out big on this one, unfortunately, but I sold way too early. I sold in the 4.7 range, I think, and it kept running 15 minutes later. So let's see if we can... Sideways trading is not a bad thing. This could come back. The 1 hour is looking better. What's the 4 hour like? 4 hour like is not looking good at all. Yeah, I'll avoid this. How's the daily on it? Daily's peaked. I don't like kucoin TradingView for some reason. What is the daily on this? Out of curiosity. Is this a good buy? It's not a bad buy. And then lithium on the daily is still okay. I see this pumping back, honestly. So I'll hold. I will hold. Alright. I think we went through everything from yesterday. At least opportunity-wise. This recovered. I still don't trust it. I will keep my eye on it, but I don't trust it. This looks good, Apollo. Very similar, like you can tell so far the two that I decided to buy have a very, very similar MACD, RSI, and even money flow. So I like this, Apollo USDT. I found this yesterday. I didn't buy. I don't know if I found it around here. What time was that? 22. Oh no, that's June 4th. I saw it yesterday, and it said it looked good, probably around here. It didn't pump as much as I thought, but now it is since the market is green. Apple USDT. So the 1 hour looks good. How does the 4 hour? Starting to ease off, and then finally, last but not least, the daily. Honestly, this might be a good longer swing, so maybe 3-4 day hold. Let's put 500 on it. Although I'm like, my intention is to flip. I don't usually like holding, so I might change my mind. What's my lithium doing actually? 987. My Vi is down 40 cents. Let's put 500 on Apple USDT. Apollo, where are you? I'm putting 500 on this as well. Ching, ching, ching. All right, so we got already down $6. Lovely. That's why you don't do market. But I don't like doing limit for some reason. Just quicker to do market sometimes. Honestly, it doesn't look bad on the daily. I think this is a pretty decent hold over the next few days. Luna just pumped, it seems. And I like trading Luna, but it's also, I got too many lines from before. It's the hourly on this. Yeah, I don't like it. 558. The 4 hour though I think was okay, but it's easing off. I'm not gonna bother with it. Let's get rid of these lines. Luna C. Huh. See, on the other hand, this looks a bit better on the 4 hour. Alright, I'm almost done. I'm almost done. SOS. UFO. Alright. I think we're done. Let's find new opportunities. kucoin. So let's do something slightly different. We'll do MACD below MACD signal. And a MACD signal below 0. Let's test that out. 305 on the 30-minute. Let's do the hour. Change. 5% down. What's going up? I don't want anything other than USDT. What is this? Ooh. This is very close to pumping. That's nuts. It hasn't crossed over, but I don't like the 4 hour though. So 30-minute like. It already moved, so I think this is the only pump for it, which is a 5%er. I'll give it a bit of time, but this actually doesn't look too bad. I like buying in this range just to be safe. You don't miss out too much. Edge USDT, how long does this need to recover? Like again, hourly is always looking pretty good. Didn't this pump like 2 days ago? Look at that, it's so bad. Whoever bought at the top, $1, you already lost 80% of your value. That sucks. That's why I don't like holding always. Quick flip, make your money, get the hell out. However, I am holding some today. I don't know. I'm lazy today. I'm not in the trading mood. Yeah, that does not look good. Hey, wasn't it supposed to be my MACD below the MACD signal, and then the MACD signal is supposed to be below 0? Isn't that what it's supposed to be? MACD level below MACD signal below value 0. What happens if I remove this? What does this give me? Hey, this is broken. Why is it not filtering out? MACD is supposed to be below the signal. MACD is the white one, right? Yeah. Okay. MACD level below MACD signal. Oh, I know why. I was looking on the 1 hour. I'm really out of it today. But see, these are all high, so that's why I chose that the MACD signal is actually below the value of 0. And if it's below the value of 0 on the hourly, then we have an opportunity. Yeah, see, all these, okay, so we are good. They're all below 0. Alright. It's just because we weren't looking on the hourly. And again, these are a bit longer holds on the hourly. It doesn't mean it's a quick flip, but it's something that we can make money by holding over the next few days. XHV, we run back into this. It looks good. Too bad today I didn't have any sort of quick flip. I think I have to hold for a bit longer. We're still up. And what I'm gonna do is, what is this? Apple? Didn't I buy? I bought some, right? I did. So 496, we're down 4, 4, and 7. So we're down 15 bucks. Whatever. This is Haven Protocol. Honestly, this looks good. It's just the only reason I'm not buying it is the 4-hour chart. This to me is going to be bearish for a bit. Again, it could continue sideways trading, like it's not dumping per se, so it's still holding its price to a certain extent after that pump, but it doesn't necessarily mean it will fall. But I also don't see gains in the near future. Let's find something that's about to pump. See this 4 hours, sideways trading, USDJ tether, so I'm assuming that's not going to change. It's supposed to be sideways trading for the most part. Alright. Comb. I saw this yesterday, I think, or the day before. Not a fan. Whatever this is, not enough data. Okay, let's adjust the filter instead of wasting time. MACD level, I want crosses up through the MACD signal. And yeah, only 5 matches on the hourly. This is looking good. It's a 4 hour, so how does a 1 hour look? Yeah. This feels dead, if anything. Clear pull. I don't like it, but I'll add it. This, I think, is meant to be a 1-to-1, so I'm not going to bother with it. And let's remove the below 0 value. Below 0 value. This could potentially pump, but it could also be a very, very bad buy. So yes, it's turning bullish, but this could turn around real quick and just plummet. So I'm not sure I'd buy it unless the 4 hour looks good. 4 hour looks okay. It seems like it's been through a big pump already. I don't know. This is honestly a risky one. I don't know if I'd buy it. So I'll wait. Shift is 404. That could have been our flip for the day. It was 398. But a 2% increase. Or a 1%, sorry. 1.5% to be accurate. BTC's up 6%. Luna. Swing is still stuck in midair. Okay. Let's find something we can flip right right away, and then the rest will hold. Money swap. All right. What if over the 15-minute chart we find something quicker? We said MACD crossing. What the hell is this? Spell token. Up 1%. This thing is dirt cheap. Ah, it's too new. Oh, no, it's not new. What happened is this probably dumped from somewhere. Ugh. Doesn't look too good of a buy. That's a 15-minute. What happened to the 1 hour? Yeah, this, at least the hourly is nice. This could pump back. What the hell was the high on this? 0004. And then it just dumped for some reason. Well, if it has volume, what is the highest volume here today? Let's check this. Need high volume on a short time frame. Like this. I don't know. Should we try something crazy like this one? It's a good jump. Again, I'm not too fond of it. That's why I prefer below zero. It's more of a accurate buy. Falcon swap. This doesn't look too bad on the 15-minute. But on the hour, it probably looks terrible. That's what I thought. It's more bearish on the hourly. This is also bearish on the hourly. But again, we're doing it for a quick flip. Let's stick to the 15 minutes. Ooh. This could run up. 15 minutes on this is actually nice. The 30. And then the hour. If it's this could be an opportunity. Safe haven. Why do I feel like I have this already? I do not. I feel like trying 500 on this. What's the bottom on this though? 13, 16. That's not bad. The downside is not crazy. Okay, maybe 13. So you lose well, still a big loss. Are the gains any good? Would this go up 2-3%? I don't know. Volume-wise, it's not that great anyway. All right, so back to our old 1 hour filter. It seems like better. Forest plus USDT. Money swap tether. I don't know. Feels like when everything pumps, it's harder to find those opportunities that you want to buy into. Okay, let's make a few changes. Let's get rid of that. Let's do positive, negative directional, crosses, positive. What do we get on the hourly? That one looked good, but so we still got Paulo, we still got Vi. Both these look great. Damn, this dumped, wasn't it? 1540 when I bought. I know Paulo was a bunch of sixes. That's unfortunate. I'm holding it for a while. This has recovered a bit on the hourly. Clear pool, we come see. Oh, damn, we did jump. I didn't buy it though. I wasn't too sure about it. Wow. Good jump, clear pool. Yeah, see, these candles are nice, but it's on the hourly. I think I'm going to stick to what I bought today. So lithium, Paulo, and Phi. And we'll see what we end up with later on in the day. We're still down. We're still up $100 a day. Today's day 6. We'll wait till the end of the day and see what we come up with. I'm gonna check a few more. It's been roughly 30 minutes of me checking. I don't feel like spending much more time. I think I found the best I can in the 30 minutes. There's no volume on those. BTC long. Okay, I'm gonna stick to these. I have two. This one, on the other hand, just jumped 5% out of nowhere. When I looked at it, it was, no, I can't remember, but that's on the hour. So let's just change this to one more time, 4 hour for a longer hold. Are there any better opportunities than the ones we have found? What is this? Electronium. Man, there's so many cryptocurrencies, it's insane. I think there's like 18,000 in total or something, 24K, something ridiculous. This actually doesn't look too bad. It's on the hour. That's the 4 hour like. Ooh. I like. It's not bad. It could turn back down, but I sense a pump. It already moved about, what, 6%. So I missed out to a certain degree, but it has a good opportunity. How's the hourly again? Get this pump. I'm buying 500 of this. What's the downside though? Downside is big. If this decides to dump, I'd have to average down. That's on the hour, so I'm not too fond of it, but the 4 hour might be good. 4 hours not bad on this. Okay, we're running out of opportunities here. The last thing I'll do is I'll just remove all filters and find highest volume and go from there. Wow, this was a nice jump for waves. Let's see, what about, that's on the 4 hour. This is curling. It's been sideways trading. Might be a good opportunity. It's $8.32 and it jumped from 4. Wow, it doubled over the past 6 days, give or take. Wow. Good for them. This is already pumping. Honestly, this is not too bad. It could run up a bit more, but 4 hours peaking, or that's that 1 hour. How's the 4 hour? How many green candles? I haven't seen this in a while in crypto. This is not bad. I'm gonna put this on my watch list. Lossless. This has potential. Polka dot. I find when the technical rating says sell, it's usually a good buy. This looks pretty decent. Although the hourly or the 4 hours slowing down, no, I don't like the hourly. It's a wait, but definitely a watch. Oh, what a beauty on the 4 hour. I'm buying some. The downside though is it's a rough downside. Let's watch this as well. Vega. And we're buying some. And we're buying some. Apple go down? Nice. Apple's going up. Hey, something's going up from what I bought. There we go. We're up $8 on this to make up the loss on this and this. This is a bit of a longer hold. Let's see if we can get it up to the 8s. and I'll sell then. What did I say? I wanted to buy Vega USDT. Here, I don't understand the difference between this. Although it's the 4 hour is just too good, in my opinion. I could be very wrong on this because it didn't dump as much. There's a 1.18 bottom, but I'm buying this bad boy. I'm not gonna go crazy. I'm gonna just do 500. That way, if it dumps, I can always average back down. Let's buy Vega at market. Ching, ching, ching. I don't know if you could hear the sound that kucoin does when you buy, but it does. The ka-ching sound. Alright, so we got Vega we're down on. We're up on Apollo. I think we started at 640 something, so we're down like 20 something dollars. It's been about 35 minutes, maybe a bit longer, so most of these are longer holds, I think. So sometime later on today I'll sell. Hopefully they don't dump, and we'll be in a really good place. Alright, we're back. Let's check what happened since this morning. I haven't looked at it since I think 10:30 or 11 o'clock this morning, but it seems like lithium has tanked, unfortunately, so we might average down if this keeps going down. Again, the intention was to hold for at least until tomorrow. The only one that seems to be making money is Apollo 514, so we'll need to check the chart on that one. And then we have Vega also down about $30, sorry, 23, and then $40 on Vi. So let's see where we're at. So this is the lithium chart. I prefer using TradingView. Oh, nice. Blocktopia is coming back. I didn't buy, but it's coming back. Let's see, where's lithium at? Let's see where lithium is at. All right, lithium is not looking great on the hourly anymore. Seems like it's slowing down. The 4 hour chart, on the other hand, still going down. This could start transitioning over, so I'm gonna keep holding. If I find an opportunity to buy, I will. Otherwise, we'll leave it and we'll wait until tomorrow and see what happens. The other one is Vi, which I believe is right here. This one is definitely dumping more than I expected. I bought at 1540, so it was a terrible buy it by the looks of it right now. That's the 4 hour chart. Let's check the hourly. Hourly could go either way, but it seems like it's going to trend downwards a bit. Similar to lithium, I will hold, and if I get an opportunity to average down again, I also will do that. Let's see. The last one on the list is Apollo. I don't think I even have Apollo here. So Apple USDT, I think. There we go. Apollo currency. I do have it. Just don't know where I put it. This is the only one that's holding up. It's sideways trading at this point. It hasn't moved up too much, and it hasn't fell. So 4 hour chart. This is a risky one. So I bought in the hopes that it will continue. After this green candle, it'll continue going up. However, if this drops any more, it'll probably just keep curling down and falling. CMF, not enough money going in, so we'll see if the sell-off begins on this one. RSI is still okay. Not the best chart. I don't tend to buy these too often, but I still have some hope in it. I still have some hope. I think at the end of the day, all of these look pretty good on the daily. So the daily chart is pretty nice. Even if we hold for a few days, I anticipate this going back up. So that's Apollo. Let's just see the lithium daily chart, and then we'll do an update later on today before we upload the video. Yeah, so the daily chart on lithium is not fantastic. It's curling. It could sideways trade here. It could keep dumping and then going back to the bottom. I hope it doesn't. If it does, I'll just average down and ride it up on the way up next time. And then we have VAI. I just call it VI. And this one's not looking great either on the daily. So I am risking it all based on the 4-hour chart to chill out. This could keep dumping. If it does, we average down and play it a bit longer than I wanted. And it just moved up from 1396 to 1442. I'll check it later on today. Hopefully one of them starts recovering. If not, we'll find good timing to average down, and we'll see what happens. All right, it's almost 5 o'clock. Seems like we're down 200 and change, or 200 exact. I can't remember. I think it was 448 or 648. Sorry. So yeah, we're down $200 on our horrible investments for the day. I'll check the charts right now and see if it's worth holding on to these or averaging down. So got Vega over here. Vega is dumping. Thank you, Vega. This is what happens when you don't research what you're buying. But I do like the charts. They tend to work out in most cases. So the 4-hour here is still going down. I'd still hold this. I'd probably average down once it bottoms out and ride it up. So I'll still give it a chance. I'll wait till later on in the day. The hourly is going down. The CMF indicator. So a lot of people bought here. Or sorry, CMF is really just the money flow, money in and out. So although the money's going in, the price is going down. So more people bought, I would assume, in this scenario. The volume is really low on this, and maybe that's something I always look for. And in this case, I didn't look at the volume before buying this. So definitely a big mistake on my behalf. I will continue to hold it. I might average down once it bottoms. It seems like this is the last time it touched, what, 13,908. So I'll wait for that, or even 138.22. If not, the next leg down is somewhere around here where it bottomed out. If not, then we're going down to 1.1, if not lower, which is, yeah, 1.11, 1.2, give or take. So let's give it some time. We could always average down. I already expected the downside earlier, so I'm not too worried. I think we have $500 in this, if I'm not mistaken. We do, so we're down $40. Not a big deal. It could always come back. VI, we're down $33 on it. Where is VAI? This, on the other hand, it did fall, but not as bad. I still like the hourly. Money flow's coming in. Not a lot of volume, though. Actually, there's 1.2 million volume on this past hour. So maybe it comes back up. I could add. I might give it just a few extra minutes. Let's see. How's the 15 looking? Not too confident about the short term, so I'll probably wait before adding. The 15-minute could go up. I think it really just depends on volume at this point. And everything's kind of slowing down at this point. 45 and the hourly. I might add another 500. I'd rather wait for it to fall again before adding. And the last time it fell was around here. Or sorry, what's the bottom? At least in the short term, 1360. Otherwise, we're probably going down into this 1237 range. So I'm gonna give it some time. If it does fall, I'll add. Otherwise, I'll wait it out. And then the last hold we have is Apollo. And Apollo is, where is Apollo? Wow, this came back. So this jumped up and then dumped. Lovely. See, that this would have been a really good flip. And I'm going to guess that if we look at the 15-minute, yeah, see, MACD was curling up. It's really hard to tell because this always can go either way. However, it does look good. I usually buy in this area right before the crossover. So would have been a great opportunity. Unfortunately, I missed it. Let's see. What's the last one I had? Apollo. Where are you? Again, for cryptocurrencies that I don't know the background behind, I try to avoid putting a lot of money into them. This also dumped. So on the 15-minute, it's going down. I actually considering adding here. It could go down a bit more. This could really dump. But again, it depends on volume. The volume was high after a big pump. That's why the MACD went this low. Otherwise, I think this is kind of what we're looking at, the range, minus 0.15. However, this, I think, will start to slow down. It'll sideways trade for a bit and then go back up. So I might, but again, that's a 15-minute. The hourly took a big hit. I considered selling in this range and take that $14 profit, but I decided to hold on to it. So I'm gonna wait. I'll wait back for this 650, 640 range, and maybe we'll have like a 5% upside if I decide to average down. So overall, for June, we're down to 447. It's day 6, June 6th, averaging less than $100 a day. We might average down later on in the evening. If I do, I'll record it in the sheet. I'll try my best to record it in a video, but I do plan on uploading this as I don't think I'll be making any significant buys or sales. And I'll catch you in the next one. As always, thank you for watching.